My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Mini Hatch Cooper S. This vehicle has done just over 41,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers. On the screen we can go through radio, multimedia, telephone, office, mini connected, vehicle information and settings. We also have heated seats on either side, as well as a keyless ignition, and we can choose from a variation of driving modes. So we have sport mode, mid mode and green mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see the seats are mostly leather with a cloth trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.